Easy.
Come. Wait. Pilot, come. Call him. Pilot. Call him.
Mais this is no idea.
Anyone with a big camera. Why do you come with a big camera?
Well, I beg. Let's go now. Come. Oga.
What is it?
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
No, you can come on. Okay. Didn't they totally call you? No, the person told you. Let's talk about it.
I'm good.
Person fights me to tomorrow. As I said last time, if it is necessary for me to be buried so that other people can have freedom, just bury me, produce better activists, and have a. But don't forget that you need a country in which everybody is free to do what they want, and that's what brought me into this. I have my own cases that I should be worried about. Tinubu still wants to jail me. We have elections coming up, and I want to defeat Tinubu, and they are not happy about the fact that they don't have real opposition. That the real opposition will be us, because they have crippled their fellow opposition people, and they are all traders, you know that. But I want to announce to you that Nigerians can do it. We can defeat these people. Yes, young people can decide today, as we are speaking. You are watching me worldwide. We can put aside our differences and defeat these people. If anybody differs from us as to how to defeat these people, then the person is not with us. Exactly. And I want to say one last thing. Anybody, the reason why, as a non-entity, I decided to run for president is because I want the child of nobody in this country to become somebody. That's it. There's no family that is assigned the presidency of Nigeria. And there's nobody that need any experience to be president. The people who have experience have destroyed this country. Let's try the people without experience. But I cannot be referred to as a person without experience. No, I have experienced what Martin Luther King used to call the promised land, and we will all get there. So, thank you, Marsha, for ensuring that this matter, as I have asked you, is continue with this engagement. If you need my help as a guiding light to make that happen, and let nobody leave this place and continue. I'm not in any team, so I'm not doing any team. So no. The biggest team is Team Justice. That's the only team I'm part of. So stop, assaulting and insulting yourselves online. Just continue with that. If there's anybody who still wants to